DJH Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this Ford Focus diesel. It's the estate. It's quite a high spec model. It's in lovely condition. Beautiful red. It's got rear park distance control. It's got parking pilot as well on this one. You can see absolutely lovely bodywork. Boot area's been well looked after. Interior's in lovely condition. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Start the car up. So 95,000, how many? 645 miles. It's got satellite navigation. Park pilot. Cruise control, multifunction steering wheel. Lovely condition. Drives absolutely lovely as well. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call 07503 751 005. Thank you.